Hey there, golf cart enthusiasts. Welcome to our ultimate gas golf cart buyer's guide for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned golfer looking for an upgrade or a newcomer seeking your first ride, we've got all the info you need. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. That said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of gas golf carts. First things first, why should you choose a gas golf cart? Well, gas golf carts are known for their power and endurance. Unlike electric models, gas carts can run longer on a single tank, making them perfect for extended outings. Plus, they generally have more horsepower, which means better performance on hilly terrains. If you need a workhorse that won't quit, gas is the way to go. When shopping for a gas golf cart, there are several key features to keep in mind. Let's break them down. 1. Engine power and performance. The heart of any gas golf cart is its engine. In 2024, most models come with 4-stroke engines, which are quieter and more efficient than the old 2-stroke versions. Look for carts with at least 11.5 horsepower for a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Brands like Yamaha and Club Car are leading the way with their advanced engine technologies. 2. Fuel capacity. Fuel capacity is crucial for those long days on the course or around the neighborhood. Most modern gas golf carts have tanks that hold 5 to 6 gallons of fuel, giving you plenty of range. Remember, more fuel means more weight, so balance your need for range with the cart's overall weight. 3. Suspension and tires. A smooth ride is a happy ride. Look for golf carts with independent front suspension for better handling and comfort. High-quality all-terrain tires are also a plus, especially if you plan to use your cart off the course. Brands like E-Z-GO offer excellent suspension systems that make your ride feel like a dream. 4. Seating and storage. Comfort and convenience are key. Check out the seating arrangements. Most carts come with bench seats, but high-end models offer bucket seats for added comfort. Don't forget about storage. Look for models with ample storage compartments, perfect for your golf bags, coolers, and other gear. Now, let's talk about the top gas golf carts of 2024. Here are our top picks. 1. The Yamaha Drive2 Quietech EFI. This gas golf cart is known for its quiet engine and exceptional fuel efficiency. It boasts a 357cc engine with 11.4 horsepower, and its independent rear suspension offers a smooth ride even on bumpy terrains. Plus, Yamaha's Quietech technology ensures that this cart is one of the quietest on the market. 2. Club Car Onward Gas. This cart features a powerful 429cc engine with 14 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful in its class. The Onward Gas is also highly customizable, with options for lifted suspension, premium seats, and high-performance tires. It's perfect for those who want a versatile and stylish ride. 3. E-Z-GO Express S4 Gas. This cart is designed for both performance and utility. It comes with a 13.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine and a spacious cargo bed for all your gear. The Express S4 also features a rugged design with heavy-duty tires, making it ideal for off-road adventures. Maintaining your gas golf cart is crucial for longevity and performance. Here are some quick tips. 1. Regular oil changes. Just like your car, your golf cart needs regular oil changes. Check the oil level after every 50 hours of operation and change it every 250 hours. 2. Clean the air filter. A clean air filter ensures your engine runs smoothly. Check it every 100 hours and replace it if it looks dirty. 3. Inspect the spark plugs. Spark plugs should be inspected and cleaned every 100 hours. Replace them every 300 hours to keep your engine firing on all cylinders. 4. Check tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is essential for a smooth ride and fuel efficiency. Check the pressure monthly and keep them inflated to the manufacturer's specifications. One of the fun parts of owning a gas golf cart is customizing it to fit your style and needs. Here are some popular accessories. 1. Light kits. Adding a light kit not only enhances the look of your cart, but also improves safety during evening rides. LED light kits are energy efficient and provide excellent visibility. 2. Lift kits. For those who plan to take their cart off-road, a lift kit is a must. Lift kits raise the cart's ground clearance, allowing you to tackle rough terrains with ease. 3. Sound systems. Why not add some tunes to your ride? Install a sound system with Bluetooth connectivity to enjoy your favorite music while cruising around. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate gas golf cart buyer's guide for 2024. Whether you're looking for power, comfort, or customization, there's a gas golf cart out there for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth guides and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy karting!